Good afternoon, students. Standard 5, Subject Mathematics, Unit 2, Numbers. Let's see about division. Division has some keywords. They are divide, each, between, cut up, share, half, how many in each, and divided by. Division has four concepts. They are dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. What is dividend? The number being divided. Divisor is the number by which you are dividing. Quotient, it is the result. And remainder, it is the quantity left over. Let's see long division or standard division with a simple example. 8 divided by 2. Here 8 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So first you have to see how many 2's are in 8, or how can you group 8 as 2. So 4 times. So 2 4's are what? 8. After that you have to subtract both of this. So 8 minus 8 you will get 0. Here on the top you have 4 and at the bottom you have 0. So that 4 is called as quotient and it is the result. And the bottom you have 0, that is called as remainder. Let's see another one example. 240 divided by 8. For this, first you have to write the dividend, that is 240. In the step 2 you have to write the divisor, that is 8. Step 3, we are going to divide this number. Take the first number, that is what? 2. You can't able to divide 2 by 8. That's why we are taking the next number together. So now this will become 24. When you can't able to divide a number, you must put 0 in the quotient's place. But if it is the beginning, you don't need to put 0 there. Because any number before 0, it doesn't has any value, so you can just omit this. But if it comes in middle or after that, you must put 0 in the quotient's place. So now the number is what? 24. So 8 3's are what? 24. Just subtract both of those numbers. 4 minus 4 you will get 0 and 2 minus 2 you will get 0. Next number is what? 0 only. Right? After that you have to take the next number, that is 0. So 8 0 is what? 0. So 0 minus 0 you will get 0 only. So what's the quotient here? It is 30. So the result or the answer for this sum is 30. Next sum is find quotient and remainder. 53,675 divided by 8. First you have to write the dividend, that is 53,675, and the divisor is what? 8. So let's divide this number. Take the first number, that is 5. You can't able to divide this number, so that's why we are taking the next number together, that is 53. So now you can divide this number. 8 6 are what? It is 48. Just subtract both of these numbers. 3 minus 8 you can't able to divide this, so take the number, borrow one number from here. Now this number will become what? 4, and this number will become what? 13. So 13 minus 8 you will get what? 5, and here 4 minus 4 you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is what? 6. Now this will become what? 56. So 8 7's are what? 56. Just subtract 6 minus 6 you will get 0, and 5 minus 5 you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is 7. You can't able to divide this number with 8. That's why we are putting one 0 in the quotient's place. Take the next number together. Now it will become 75. 8 9's are what? 72. Right? Just subtract this. 5 minus 2 you will get 3. 7 minus 7 you will get what? 0. So what's the remainder here? 3. And what's the quotient here? 6,709. If you want to check whether you are doing in a right manner, how will you find out that? Just multiply this divisor into quotient. That means 8 into 6,709 plus 3. That means added remainder. If you add this, you will get what? Dividend. If you didn't get the dividend, you are doing in a wrong manner. If you get it, that is the right answer for you. Let's move to exercise 2.8. First sum is find quotient and remainder. First sum, 5,732 divided by 9. First what will you do? You have to write the dividend. Next you have to write the divisor. Just to divide this, take the first number. You can't able to divide it. That's why putting the 0 in the quotient's place. If you omit that, that's also okay, because it is the beginning point. Next you have to take the next one, that is what? 7. Now the number will become what? 57. 9 6 are what? 54. So 7 minus 4 you will get what? 3, and 5 minus 5 you will get what? 0. Next you have to take the next number, that is what? 3. Now this will become what? 33. So 9 3's are what? 27. Just subtract both of these numbers. 3 minus 7, can't able to subtract this. So we are borrow 1 from here. Now this will become what? 2, and this will become what? 13. So 13 minus 7 you will get 6, and 2 minus 2 you will get 0. Take the next number, that is what? 2. Now this will become what? 62. So 9 6 are what? 54. So just to subtract both of these numbers. 2 minus 4. You can't able to subtract this. Borrow 1 from here. Now this will become what? 5 and this will become what? 12. So 12 minus 4 you will get what? 8. Here 5 minus 5 you will get 0. So the remainder is what? 8 and the quotient is what? 636. See the next question, that is 47,345 divided by 5. Let's divide this. First we have to write the dividend, that is 47,345. Next we have to write the divisor, that is 5. Just to divide this, take the first number, it is 4. Can't able to divide, take the second number together. Now it will become 47. So find answer what? 45. Just subtract this. 7 minus 5 you will get 2. 4 minus 4 you will get 0. Take the next number, that is 3. Now it will become 23. 5 fours are what? 20. 3 minus 0 you will get what? 3 and 2 minus 2 you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is what? 4. Now it will become what? 34. So 5 6 are what? 30. Subtract this. 4 minus 0 you will get 4 and 3 minus 3 you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is 5. Now it will become 45. 5 9s are what? 45. 5 minus 5 you will get 0 and 4 minus 4 you will get 0. So the remainder is what? 0 and the quotient is what? 9469. Next, 3032 divided by 7. First you have to write the dividend, that is 3032 and the divisor 7. Take the first number, can't able to divide, take the second number together. Now it will become 30. You can't able to divide now. So 7 fours are what? 28. Just subtract this. 0 minus 8 you can't able to subtract. Borrow 1 from here. This will become 2 and this will become what? 10. So 10 minus 8 you will get 2 and 2 minus 2 you will get 0. Take the next number, that is what? 3. Now it will become what? 23. So 7 3s are what? 21. 3 minus 1 you will get 2 and 2 minus 2 you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is 2. Now this number will become what? 22. Again 7 3s are what? 21. Just subtract this. 2 minus 1 you will get 1 and 2 minus 2 you will get 0. Now the remainder is 1 and the 433. Next is sum 43,251 divided by 10. First you have to write the dividend, that is 43,251. Next you have to write the divisor, that is 10. Just to divide this, take the first number, can't able to divide. So take the second number together. Now it will become 43. So 10 fours are what? 40. Subtract this. 3 minus 0 you will get 3. 4 minus 4 you will get 0. Take the next number, that is 2. Now this will become 32. Again 10 3s are what? 30. So 2 again subtracted. 2 minus 0 you will get 2 and 3 minus 3 you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is what? 5. Now this number will become what? 25. Now again do it. 10 2s are what? 20. Now subtract this. 5 minus 5 you will 5 minus 0 you will get 5 and 2 minus 2 you will get what? 0. Take the next number, the final number, that is what? 1. Now this number will become what? 51. So 10 5s are what? 50. Now subtract this. 1 minus 0 you will get 1 and 5 minus 5 you will get what? 0 only. So the remainder is what? It is 1 and the quotient is what? 4325. Let's move to the next one, that is 2532 divided by 4. So first write the dividend, that is 2532 and the divisor is what? 4. Let's divide both of these numbers. So take the first number, can't able to divide this. So take the second number together. Now it will become 25. Now you can divide this number. So 4 6 are what? 24. Just subtract both of these numbers. That means 25 and 24. 5 minus 4 you will get what? 1 and 2 minus 2 you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is what? 3. Now this number will become what? 13. Now again divide this number. 4 3s are what? 12. Subtract these two numbers. 3 minus 2 you will get 1 and 1 minus 1 you will get what? 0. Take the final number, that is 2. Now this number will become what? 12. 4 3s are what? 12. So subtract both of these numbers. 12 minus 12 you will get 0, or else you can subtract like this. 2 minus 2 you will get 0 and 1 minus 1 you will get what? 0. So the quotient is what? 633 and the remainder is what? 0. Let's see some real life examples. First is sum is 3057 families are living in a town. The town panchayat decided to split the town into 3 wards. How many families will be there in each panchayat? Let's write the solution for this. First, number of families in a town equal to 3057 and number of wards equal to 3. Number of families in each ward. Here you have to notice this keyword, that is what? Each. So each denotes it must comes in which operation? Division operation. So number of families in each ward equal to 3057 divided by 3 because it denotes division operation. Let's divide this number. First you have to write the dividend. Here the dividend is 3057. So you have to write 3057 first. After that you have to write what? 3. So next write 3. Just divide this number. Take the first number. So 3 1 is what? 3. Just subtract this. 3 minus 3, you can 3 minus 3, you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is what? That is 0. So 3 0 is what? 0. 0 minus 0, you will get 0 only. Next, take the next number, that is what? 5. So now here it is 5. Just divide this number with 3. 3 1 is what? 3. So 5 minus 3. Next, subtract this. 5 minus 3, you will get what? 2. Take the next number, that is what? 7. Now it will become what? 27. So 3 9s are what? 27. Subtract this. 7 minus 7, you will get 0. And 2 minus 2, you will get what? 0. So what's the quotient? 1019. I already told the quotient will be always become the result, right? So here they are asking about number of families in each ward equal to, the result will be always which one? Quotient. So the answer is 1019. Second sum, a water board distributes 28,049 liters daily to a town in 7 lorries. How much of water will each lorry carry? So let's rewrite the solution for this. Total liters of water equal to 28,049. They already told. Number of lorries equal to 7. Water carried by each lorry equal to 28,049 divided by 7. Here also they are mentioning which keyword? Each. So this each denotes which one? It will come under division. So 28,049 will be divided by which one? 7. So let's divide this. Now you have to write the dividend, that is 28,049, and after that you have to write the divisor, that is 7. Take the first number, you can't able to divide this number by 7. So take the second number together, now it will become what? 28. Now you can divide this number. So 7 4s are what? 28. Subtract this, you will get what? 0. After that take the next number, that is what? 0. So 7 0 is what? 0. 0 minus 0, you will get what? 0 only. Take the next number, that is 4. Now you can see this properly. Here you can't able to divide this number, and this number is coming middle of the number, right? This time what will you do? You have to put one 0 in the quotient's place. You must put one 0 in quotient's place. You can't able to omit this. So when you put 0 on quotient's place, after that you can take the next number together. The next number is what? 9. So this will be coming together. Now it will become what? 49. So 7 7s are what? 49. Subtract both of these numbers. 9 minus 9, you will get 0. And 4 minus 4, you will get what? 0. So the quotient is what? 4,000. So 4,007 liters is the answer. Let's move to the next sum. A company gives rupees 93,300 as salary for 6 workers equally. How much salary will each worker get? Let's write the solution for this. Total amount of salary equal to rupees 93,300. Number of workers equal to 6, and salary for each person, right? Because they are asking about each worker get. So it denotes what? Division operation. So let's divide this number. Rupees 93,300 divided by 6. First write the dividend, that is 93,300 divided by 6, right? So the divisor is 6. Let's divide this. First number is what? 9. So you can able to divide this number. So 6 1 is what? 6, right? So let's subtract both of these numbers. 9 minus 6, you will get 3. Take the next number, that is 3. Now the number will become what? 33. So 6 5s are what? 30. Subtract both of these numbers. 3 minus 0, you will get 3. And 3 minus 3, you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is what? 3. Now the number will become again 33. Now 6 5s are what? 30. Just subtract this. 3 minus 0, you will get 3. And 3 minus 3, you will get what? 0. Take the next number, that is 1 0. So now this number will become what? 30. So 6 5s are what? 30. So 30 minus 30, you will get what? 0 only. Or else you can subtract like this. 0 minus 0, you will get 0. Again 3 minus 3, you will get 0. Take the next number, that is what? Next 0. So 6 0 is what? 0. 0 minus 0, you will get what? 0. So what's the quotient you got here? 15,550. So salary for one person equal to rupees 15,500. Sorry, 550. There is one mistake. It is 15,550. This is the answer. Thank you.